Good morning, sleepyhead. Sammy just took a really long nap. Here's Creeper. Hi, Zeke. How was your nap? Sammy Bella. Goodness. How was your nap, Missy? Oh, tooter tooters. Tooter tooters. How was her nap? Want to see the hickey she gave herself? Yep, she did that last night. Yesterday. Silly. You're silly. You're so silly. Yeah. Are you pooping? Are you just laughing at mommy? You slept forever. But now you're happy. Yeah, now you're happy. Why? Are you hungry? Do you want a booby?